Hello, sut mai. Welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name is William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. And this week's phrase is something you might use when you're doing something very difficult. And the phrase is, Duw, mae hwn yn galed, which means, God, this is hard. Duw, mae hwn yn galed. I'll say it slower so you can get the pronunciation. Duw, mae hwn yn galed. Duw, mae hwn yn galed. God, this is hard. Well, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you here next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.